various types of chemical reaction. So today we will cover two types of reaction. First one is combination reaction. Second one is decomposition reaction. In combination reaction, we will cover magnesium oxide. See, when magnesium ribbon is react with oxygen gas, it will form magnesium oxide. ठीक है? Now magnesium oxide को जब हम पानी के अंदर डालेंगे, डिसॉल्व करेंगे, we will get magnesium hydroxide. अब you know that this is hydroxide ion and this is basic in nature. हम ये भी क्या करेंगे, बेसिक होता है कैसे होता है ये सब, ठीक है? So let's start part A. So we have in this experiment we will need magnesium ribbon, spirit lamp, and red and blue litmus papers. These are red litmus paper and these are blue litmus paper. So let's start. This is magnesium ribbon. So let's burn it. Dazzling white flame. Which flame?
Dazzling white flame.
Now this white colored compound is called magnesium water in magnesium oxide. Now we have magnesium hydroxide. It is basic in nature. So let's check this. Is it basic or no? So if red litmus turns in blue, that means it is basic. If it turns into blue, that means it is in basic.
So basically we are doing combination reaction in which two or more reactants form a single product. So basically we are making magnesium oxide. For this we need some equipments. So for this we need a test tube holder, this magnesium ribbon, spirit lamp, china dish and bottle. So we have to burn this magnesium ribbon in this fire. So let's do it. So basically this is dazzling flame. This flame is generally called dazzling flame.
Right.
Now it is generally white in color, as you can see.
Now in this china dish we have magnesium hydroxide because we have add magnesium oxide plus water into it. Now we will mix it and then check its pH level. By using litmus paper, we will check it is basic or acidic in nature. Now we can see that this red litmus paper has turned into blue litmus paper, means this solution is basic in nature.
In decomposition, when a single reactant is break down into two or more than two products, then we will get decomposition product. Let we will take lead nitrate. Formula is PNO3 whole twice. If we will heat lead nitrate, we will get lead oxide. Nitrogen dioxide gas is brown in color. So let's start this experiment. For this experiment, we will need it has to holder, spirit lamp, and lead nitrate salt. This is the lead nitrate salt. So let's take small amount of lead nitrate in a boiling tube. Done. Now let's heat it. These fumes are called nitrogen dioxide fumes and brown fumes. Can you see this? Yes. Let's check the nature of these fumes. We have blue litmus paper. So this will turns into red. That means
Decomposition reaction in which one single reactant breaks down into two or more than two products with the help of heat. So I have lead nitrate in my hand and this is the boiling tube. This is test tube holder. So we are going to add little amount of lead nitrate into this. Now we are going to boil it. these fumes are called brown fumes. Now we take a blue litmus to check this is acidic or base and basic in nature.
So,
Change it to red litmus paper. So we can say that it is acidic in nature.